And speaking of growing your hair fast, if you want the blueprint on how I unlocked 1 inch plus of hair growth in a month so you can learn how to quickly grow your hair and get those inches too, please go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab the Growth Training 101 guide, because it is a complete step-by-step book on how I grew my hair to my hips and unlocked 1 inch plus of hair growth in a month with my nutrient-rich recipes and routines. I got y'all. I have never lied to y'all, and y'all have seen that and told me that in the customer testimonies. Customers have wrote in that they have achieved waist-length hair, have cried happy tears because of how thick and healthy their hair has gotten. People have told us that our recipes helped them grow hair when doctors told them they couldn't. And we even included recipes for those of you out there who struggle with hormone-related hair loss and thinning. Postpartum, menopause, perimenopause. We didn't leave anyone out, and there is truly something in there for everyone. I even included recipes from my clients that I was working with one-on-one. So for those of you who didn't get a chance to book a consultation, this is your chance to receive that help and to receive the results that you are looking for. It's as simple as this, lovelies. If you don't want to grow your hair, then keep not getting a guide. Ignore it. Pretend like I didn't even say anything about it. But if you do want to finally achieve your hair goals and get this growth that you know you can get and that I know you can get as well, go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and do yourself a favor, especially because the guide is so low right now. It's so low right now. And I'm doing that so that way you guys still have an opportunity to get it at an affordable price, all right? It's at one of the lowest prices that we have put it at. So, because hey, the economy is economy right now, all right? It's looking a little crazy. So as a gift, we are putting it at one of the lowest prices we've ever put it at to make sure that you have an opportunity to grab it. So go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and give yourself the gift that's just going to keep on giving. For the